Hi, everyone, and welcome to my new YouTube series, Words of Balance. Most people wait for a new year to change them, but what if you decided to be the one who changes the year? Today, we're not just talking about resolutions, we are talking about a rebirth. Are you ready? I'm Sabrina Cadini, your holistic precision life and well-being coach and the creator of the Life-Work Balance System, helping you live better, work smarter, and feel happier by prioritizing yourself with customized lifestyle changes. If you're ready to invest in your evolution and learn how to become your best self every day as the intentional creator of your own life, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you will never miss an episode. If you're tired of just surviving your busy life, you are in the right place. Welcome to Words of Balance, my new YouTube series. This year, our journey is about bridging that gap between where you are and where you belong, giving you the clarity to make the intentional decisions your future self is waiting for. I mean, you have spent enough time reacting to your schedule. Isn't it time you started designing it? And since it's January, let's focus on the rebirth. My word for 2026 is Phoenix, and I think it's spot on for this month's topic. If you want to know why I chose that word, I linked my blog post in the description box below. In my coaching practice, rebirth involves removing versions of ourselves that no longer fit to make room for who we are meant to be. And it's a necessary component for my clients' transformation. You cannot build a fulfilling life using the same old brain patterns that keep you stuck in a survival mode. If you are surviving, you're not leading, you are reacting. Real transformation and progress require the courage to let go of the busy identity that no longer serves you, and also realigning your biology and your mindset. When you step into the role of creator, your body and mind stop being obstacles and become your greatest allies, allowing you to achieve amazing results without the burnout. And to start this process of optimization, you must first challenge your mindset. And this begins by confronting those neural patterns that keep you busy. When you check emails the second you wake up, you are telling your brain that everyone else's priorities matter more than your own. Reactivity instead of creativity. You are choosing to be an observer of your life rather than the creator. From there, you must have the discipline to respect your body's natural rhythms. Scheduling your most demanding tasks during your peak energy window is certainly a productivity hack, but it's also a commitment to your biological excellence. When you treat your well-being as the foundation of your success, you are building the capacity for outstanding results that last. Think about it. If you cannot keep a 30-minute appointment with yourself for a daily walk or a mindfulness practice, why should you trust yourself to lead a major transformational shift in your career? And this leads us to this month's reflection. If you were to shed the one belief or habit that is keeping you in the ashes of burnout today, who would you become? And more importantly, what is it costing you to stay exactly as you are for another year? I encourage you to write your answer down for clarity and focus. Own it. And if you're comfortable, share it in the comments. Let's see who you are truly meant to be. Now, if you're done with just surviving the week or your life, and you are finally ready to step into your role as the creator of your life, which is pretty much the topic of this whole YouTube series, let's talk. I am currently inviting high achievers like you who are ready to invest deeply in their growth to schedule a free clarity call. We will map out a precision roadmap tailored to your unique biology and goals. My coaching programs are designed to help you optimize your life and career, achieving the outstanding results you have been working for. You can find the link to my calendar in the description box below. Stop waiting for change and start creating it today. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me reach more people, helping them become their best self every day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to live life fully. See you in my next video.